I'm gonna quickly show my fix for this. So it's pretty easy, it's not that hard. All I did was cut a section out of the line where it was rusted. And I put a rubber line on there instead in place. I cut that whole section out of it. I put that rubber lawnmower fuel line on there. It's a low pressure return line, so it's nothing bad, but that's all I did, and it stopped the leak. And then the valve sits. It should seal in there. The gasket, the way the gasket's designed, it kind of crushed down in there, but you know, just running like it. See if it gets like a low flow coat or something. Oh damn. Now I get there's gonna be those green people that are all like, oh my gosh, you're polluting our earth, you're gonna kill our earth. That's the reason they're coming out with electric cars. I don't give a damn about the electric cars. And I don't really give a damn about your opinion. So, yeah, anyways, I have put a new pump on it. The pump, I didn't change the reservoir, I just changed the pump. I cleaned out the reservoir really nicely though. It needs changed. Before I change it, I'm gonna throw some Lucas in it. That's what I always do. Before I change the oil on this thing, I throw some Lucas in it. Stuff kind of cleans it out. They also say to use automatic trans fluid, but it's sitting there, it's just running. I'm just gonna let it run. It might actually be running just a little bit better, but I'm gonna scan these codes, see what's up.
Good old Chevy right here. You go 2, 4. I mean, you don't need 4. I mean,
you don't need. I smell carbon. Yeah, I smell carbon. I smell carbon buildup, man. Get the exhaust. Oh, she smells good.
oh yeah.
Not very good at all. It smells like burnt ramen noodles.
Oh God.
Yeah.
What is that smell?
God, it smells terrible. See what I can get this thing to do.